Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will unbox this APC2-2300R from Trust Smart Home. This product is the follow-up from the current APA2-2300R. Both are spec-wise almost the same, except the dimensions. In this package you will find a manual, 2 smart plug sockets and a remote. We will be using these sockets without the remote. First we are going to set them up via the app. First choose a room and press the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on Trust Smart Home and then on off switch. Next put the plug socket in the power strip. I used the cable of the lamp so I made sure to see if it works. And tap on connect and give it a proper name in the app. These are the steps you need to follow to simply set up a plug socket. The delay between pressing the button and the socket switching on the lamp is exactly the same as within the old model. I still think it takes too long, but hey, maybe it's something has to do with my network, I'm not sure. The plug sockets are way more smaller than before, but I guess my power strip is too narrow to fit two side by side, but I couldn't find a different one at home that made them fit side by side. But in my case the middle one now is still usable, something that wasn't possible with the old models. Spec-wise the plug socket is almost the same as the old one. They both can handle up to 2300 watts, but the form factor is the difference. They finally moved to smaller plug sockets that are easier to tuck away behind closets or just don't take much space on a power strip like the old one did before. I hope you liked this video. Please leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have any suggestions then leave them down below in the comments. Hey, see you next time!